Today, let's talk about the way that you fix the Snapchat login error. In these situations, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that if you have a stable connection or not. You can simply do that by trying to use other applications that do need internet as well. If you're facing this issue, then you can try to switch between your network, so from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data or vice versa. The other thing that you can also do is try to restart the Snapchat app. So just close the app of Snapchat from the recent app list, as well as try to update the application. Head over to the Play Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, you can tap on the update button. Also, what you can try out is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. Tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and tap on the clear data cache option. Once you complete this step, try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, and if you have this error message inside of your Snapchat phone, then that likely may be because you're currently using a VPN. So try to turn off your VPN, and in this case, you'll need to wait out 48 hours if you have made multiple attempts of logging in. So if you currently do have a VPN enabled, make sure you disable it. And if you have previously made multiple attempts of logging in, then you'll need to wait out 48 hours before you can log into your account back. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.